In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gumloop automation outputs to Gamma presentation or analytics tools elegantly and efficiently. If you're new to this process, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring that you feel confident and capable by the end. To start, you'll need access to both the Gumloop platform, where your automation outputs reside, and the Gamma tools, which could be either presentation or analytics focused. Make sure you have the appropriate permissions on both platforms, as this is crucial for a smooth integration. If you haven't yet set up your Gumloop automations, you might want to revisit those configurations prior to linking them, as it's essential they're accurately generating the data you'll be working with. With everything set up and ready to go, dive into your Gumloop account. You'll be looking to locate the specific outputs that you intend to integrate. Navigate to the dashboard, where you have visibility over all your automation processes. Find the output data that's relevant to your needs. This could be anything from customer insights, sales data, or logistics reports. The next crucial aspect is exporting these outputs. In the Gumloop interface, you should see options to export data. Choose the format best suited for your Gamma tool. Commonly used formats might include CSV or JSON, providing flexibility depending on what you're most comfortable with. This step involves a bit of decision making based on your specific workflow needs, but rest assured these formats are widely supported across various Gamma platforms. Once you have your data exported and ready, shift your focus to your Gamma tool. Whether you're working with presentations or diving into analytics, start by opening your project or creating a new one. The objective here is to import the data from Gumloop seamlessly. Most Gamma tools will offer an import feature, generally located within the File menu. Here, select the option that aligns with the format you previously exported from Gumloop. With your data now linked to Gamma, you're at the exciting stage of applying it to your presentations or analytical models. If you're creating a presentation, identify the elements that would best showcase your data, perhaps integrating charts, graphs, or outlines to make your insights visually compelling. For analytics, use the imported data to generate reports or dashboards offering a front-row view of the detailed analysis. This step is all about harnessing the power of Gamma to bring your Gumloop data to life. Finally, ensure everything is functioning as anticipated. Double-check the integration, look for any discrepancies or errors, and adjust your setup if needed. Often, it's beneficial to run a few test scenarios to verify the accuracy of your data representation in Gamma. And there you have it, a successful linkage between your Gumloop automation outputs and Gamma tools, ready to take your projects to new heights. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions or leave feedback in the comments below.